Hey guys, Samantha here. I am so excited for this webinar. This is something totally different that I've never discussed with you before. Meet AquaLyna. AquaLyna is our sister brand to Aqua. So AquaLyna is a DIY extension system instead of our permanent systems like Aqua hair extensions. So our permanent systems, we have our Q-weft, our machine weft, our keratin fusion, right? Those are our permanent extension systems, but the client has to come in, right, to get those installed. What about your clients who don't want something so permanent? What about your clients that maybe want to take a break from their permanent extension systems? This is absolutely where AquaLyna is going to be your best friend. So within our AquaLyna line, we do carry 3 different systems. We have our clip-in extensions, auras, and ponytails. So we're gonna dive deep into the 3 different systems that we carry, why I think it's super important for you to offer these in your salon, and how they can fit within your services that you currently offer. One thing we absolutely can all agree on, Aqua hair extensions, the hair quality is hands down phenomenal. AquaLyna is going to be the exact same hair quality that you know and love, just on a DIY system. So we love Aqua hair extensions because it is 100% human Remy hair, right? Remy meaning the cuticle is still intact in the hair and it's all facing the same natural growth direction. If you love that about Aqua, you're going to absolutely love that about AquaLyna as well. So AquaLyna, like I mentioned, it's the exact same hair quality that you love, but in addition, it's the same hair colors that you know and love as well. So if you have our professional coloring in the salon, you can match your guests up to AquaLyna as well on that same exact coloring. Now, I really want to stress what it looks like when your guest receives the box. To me, this is chef's kiss, luxury feel, as if you just bought a luxury handbag, jewelry, anything that's luxe. This is absolutely, to me, what AquaLyna describes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You'll see right inside of the box, it says, make a statement. We really wanna make sure that your guests make a statement with AquaLyna. So I'll push this to the side. And again, just like a boutique or a high-end brand, anytime you make a purchase, they wrap your clothing in tissue paper, right? They wrap your jewelry in tissue paper. Their AquaLyna will be wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. And then you'll see the satin bag with their hair. So you can also see here, we've lined the box with satin. 1, yes, that screams luxury. 2, we know hair extensions, anything that has friction will cause damage, right? In addition, damage, frizz, all the things. We recommend our clients sleep with satin pillowcases, they wear a satin bonnet, but what do we do with our hair when it's not in our head? The box is a perfect place for them to store their hair extensions when they're not wearing them, as well as their satin bag. Okay, so let's talk about who may wear AquaLyna. Who can I retail AquaLyna to and why? So in the salon, if you're offering a permanent extension system, the very first option that comes to mind is your clients who may want to take a break from their permanent system. Maybe it's summer, you live in a warm climate, your clients like to swim, work out, do all the outdoorsy things without having to worry about their extensions. But those same clients still want the look and feel of extensions, right? Maybe their natural hair's short and their extensions are really long, and they're like, what the heck am I gonna do all summer without long hair? Especially maybe on those date nights or the weekends, okay? AquaLyna is perfect for that. They can still have the same look and feel as if they're wearing, their wefts or their tape-in extensions, but they have the ease of removing them when they do want to go swimming, when they want to work out in the morning, when they want to just throw their hair up in a messy bun and not have to worry about permanent extensions. They can wear clip-ins, their aura, or they can make a cute ponytail with their ponytail, okay? AquaLyna is perfect for those clients. Okay, second client who may wear and love AquaLyna. Let's say a client comes into your salon for an extension consultation. Okay, you do a very thorough consultation, and at the end, you hit her with the price tag. Okay, some clients, I get it, it's an investment. We understand that, and the client may totally understand that, but permanent extensions just may not be in her budget, especially now coming into the holiday season, right? So permanent extensions just may not be in the budget, whereas AquaLyna may. So AquaLyna is a perfect price for an introductory extension system. Definitely something not permanent, not as high maintenance as wefts, keratin fusions, tape-ins, right? Something that they don't have to come back in residually to see you in the salon for maintenance. They can purchase it once, get it installed, cut, blended, customized to them one time, and they can wear it forever. A third option, and a client that may be in need of AquaLyna in your salon, would be a guest who's attending a special event. Maybe it's a bride, maybe it's a high school girl going to prom. Maybe it's just a client who likes to go out on the weekend and wear her weekend hair, okay? AquaLyna is perfect for that. Whether they want to have longer hair, fuller hair, maybe a combo of both, they can pop in their AquaLyna for that specific event, wear it, take it out when they're done. So the best way to retail AquaLyna in your salon is, one, to have a small display. So what I recommend is to carry at least one AquaLyna Aura, one set of clip-ins, and one AquaLyna Ponytail in your salon for your clients to see. Okay? I'd recommend carrying 3 different length options so they truly can see the different lengths, as well as 3 color options. This way you have a really good variety of a display that your clients can see in the salon. So once they've chosen what color and length they need, you have 2 options. Either you can order their AquaLyna for them, or you can keep it in stock in your salon and retail it instantly. I cannot stress enough, instant gratification is key, right? We all know when you're going in shopping, either you're purchasing something right on the spot, or you have to wait to order it. Let's be honest, we are all way more apt to make an instant impulse purchase if it's there, ready for us to take, versus if we have to order it, okay? So what I recommend is to keep a few boxes of AquaLyna in your salon. Maybe you wanna focus on auras. Auras are what you carry, and auras are what you keep in stock. I would keep your most popular colors and your most popular lengths for your clients to come in and purchase. Again, especially this holiday season, everyone's looking for an amazing gift, whether for themselves or whether for someone else. AquaLyna makes a beautiful gift to give around the holidays. Besides just selling this AquaLyna box to your client, there's a lot of extra money to be made here, especially with add-on services. So, right, just like any permanent extension system, you can install the extensions, but it looks best after you cut and blend. Same thing with AquaLyna. They come one length, one density in this box, right? So if I'm purchasing that 20-inch Aura, it's going to all be 20 inches on my guest's hair. It's going to definitely look best once I cut and blend it. So that's a great upsell, right? You can either sell your client the AquaLyna and then charge her additionally for that cut, or you can bundle that all in as one. So what I like to do in my salon is we have a set price for the AquaLyna Auras that we keep in stock, and included in that price is a cut and style. So I upcharge that retail price to include my haircut and style. So just for that added value, I like to prep the extensions a little bit before I install and cut. So I'll mist them with a little bit of water, a little leave-in conditioner, blow dry them, fluff them up, install them, and then do your cut once they're installed. So again, talk to your guests. Determine, do they want to keep them at that length, or do they want to remove a little bit of length? Face framing and layering is key to really make sure they're blending properly every single time they wear them. Okay, so you may be thinking, I love the extension services in my salon because of the residual effect, right? The client gets their extensions once, they're coming back in to see you every 6 to 8 weeks for that repeat service. Absolutely. And you're thinking, with AquaLyna, I don't have that repeat service. So yes, I may make money up front, but what about that repeat client that I want her to come back in and see me? Absolutely, we can do that. We like to call that extension daycare. So your clients can drop their extensions off to you. You can wash, blow them out, either flat iron, curl, whichever style they choose, and then they can come and pick them back up at their leisure. So this way, the client does not have to wash and blow their extensions out on their own. This can be an added service for you. So again, more money in your pocket. So with AquaLyna, we discussed we carry 3 extension systems. We have our AquaLyna Aura, our AquaLyna clip-in extensions, and our AquaLyna Ponytail. So let's look at each system and talk about the benefits and what really makes ours different. First up is the AquaLyna Aura. So what truly sets the AquaLyna Aura apart from others on the market are, first, the detachable clips. So if you notice, these clips are Velcro. You can either decide to use them or not and shift them around wherever you would like on this weft. Now, in addition to the 3 that are pre-clipped here, we do have 3 additional clips that we offer in the box. Next, let's talk about the wire on the AquaLyna Aura. So if you notice, there is a wire that already comes on the Aura, but what's really cool is on this wire, there are 6 additional loops that you can unhook and rehook this tighter or larger depending on the guest's head shape. Now, if you're like, okay, I made this as tight as possible, this wire is still too big. Totally fine. We give you 7 additional wires in your box, and they range from extra, extra small all the way to extra, extra large. So they come in this really cute pouch. We'll pull those out, and you'll see you have your extra clips here, okay, your extra Velcro clips, as well as all of your extra wires. So there is everything from extra, extra small all the way to extra, extra large. They range from 10.5 inches all the way to 13.5 inches. So you choose the wire that best fits your head or your guest's head, right? If this is something you're selling to your client, you choose what fits them best. So to remove it, like I said, all that I'll do is go in, unhook from the loop, and then pull the wire back through the outer loop. Okay, so you go ahead and take it off, choose the wire that fits the guest, and then slide it back through. Just like that, the wire is replaced. Also, what I love about the AquaLyna Aura is it's so dense from root to end. I know I talked about every AquaLyna, whether you're working with the Aura, the Ponytail, the clip-ins, they are double drawn and are the same density from root to end, but look at the Aura specifically. Okay, it is so super dense. So with those added benefits of the Aura, I have no doubt you're absolutely going to love it. Next, let's discuss the AquaLyna Ponytail. Oh my gosh, I freaking love the Ponytail. It is a must-have, I truly believe, in every woman's closet. Like, you need a weekend Ariana Grande ponytail. So our ponytail is definitely different and has some upgraded features that most do not have. One being, right here you can see the comb in the center. So why would I want this comb? The comb is great because first, the guest's hair goes in an elastic. The comb lives in between the elastic and the guest's head. So essentially the comb slides right past, when I say the elastic, I mean like the black banded ponytail you're gonna use, right? The comb slides right in and really holds the ponytail in place. And then after that comb is in, you'll take the Velcro closure, Velcro around the guest's natural hair, her elastic or her ponytail, right? It Velcros around and holds in place, okay? Then to top it all off, you see we have this really cool extra long piece of hair. Probably thinking, what do I do with that, right? Why do I have this long strand of hair here, okay? 2 things. One, notice how long it is, okay? This strand of hair is just as long as the ponytail. And I'm going to take this strand of hair and wrap it around the Velcro to hide. And I just created a super cute, completely undetectable Ariana Grande ponytail. Cute, right? Last up in our AquaLyna family, definitely not least though, are our AquaLyna Ultra Narrow Clip-In Extensions, okay? They're amazing. Our clip-in extensions, you can see, super thick and dense, just like our other 2 systems, okay? Dense all the way to the bottom. Now our clip-in extensions come with 7 pieces per pack, okay? There's 7 individual pieces that are already pre-clipped, ready to go, and you can see just how thin and fine the band is. So when we say ultra narrow, we're talking about the band itself. Okay, so if you zoom in really close, you can see traditional clip-in extensions are essentially a really thick weft. They look kind of like our machine weft, but even thicker, okay? These are a newer technology. They're very smooth on the band, and they're super thin and narrow, allowing this to just lay extra flat to the scalp and very seamless. Okay, so notice this piece that I'm holding has 4 clips pre-clipped on it. Within these 7 pieces, you do get 2 pieces that have 2 clips on them, 2 pieces that have 4 clips on them, and then 3 pieces with 3 clips. Okay, so there's quite a bit of hair here per pack, and you're able to spread those out amongst the entire head however you choose, right? If you're familiar with clip-in extensions, you know not every client wears the entire box, right? Some clients maybe wear 2 or 3 pieces, some clients wear 5 pieces and they skip the side 2s. Totally up to you and totally up to your client, but we give you plenty in that box for a full complete head. Lastly, in every box of AquaLyna, you will see a tester as well as a tester card with instructions, okay? So what do I do with this tester and what's the purpose of it? So you'll see on the tester card, if you scan the QR code, it will give you instructions and a how-to video on what to do with your tester. Okay, so if you read the card, read the instructions, it essentially says this tester piece has to be used to ensure the length and the color of your AquaLyna box before you officially open and break the warranty seal on your box, okay? So with that being said, this tester piece, like I mentioned, is the exact length and the color of what you ordered in your box. So you'll notice this is a tester sample from the Ponytail and the Aura, okay? It's one small clip, one small piece here, okay? They'll want to clip it into their hair. I usually say clip it in right above the parietal ridge. Make sure the length is accurate as well as the color. Okay? If you decide, no, not what I was thinking, not the right color, not the right length, you can exchange that AquaLyna box for a new one. Okay, but once you officially break the seal on that pouch, the box is yours, you can no longer return it. So make sure the color and the length are accurate with the tester piece. Now we've created some really cool sample options that you can pre-purchase just to decide what color do I want, right? So let's say you have the coloring and you're just not exactly sure what color you need, or you don't have our color swatch in general and you're like, I could be between maybe color 60A or color 60, or I could be between Arctic Rooted or Tahoe Root Tap, right? You're not really sure which one to order. What you can do is order samples ahead of time, okay? You could order single samples. They come in a cute little pouch like this. If you open your sample, it will have one individual tester piece. Now, our samples that you can purchase separately are all 14 inches, okay? So you can see this is a 14-inch sample, okay? This is not the sample or the tester that you receive in the AquaLyna box. Okay, when you purchase your AquaLyna box, meaning you're purchasing an Aura, a Ponytail, or clip-ins, in that box you get a tester card with the tester sample, and that tester sample is the exact color and length of what's in the box. But if you've not ordered any AquaLyna hair extensions, you're just wanting to order the samples by themselves, again, just to test the color to make sure what color you are, you can order them separately and they're all 14 inches. So the samples are a great way to really hone in and make sure you're getting the exact color you need without ordering a box, using the tester, returning the box, ordering another box, testing, returning that box. You can order a few different samples and decide for yourself. I cannot wait for you to try AquaLyna in your salon. I have no doubt in my mind you're going to love it as well as your guests. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram @Aqua Hair Extensions to be featured, and we would love to see your AquaLyna.